Hello! So, welcome and welcome back sa mga nanonood ng channel ko. Hi, it's Mina, your host. Hello! Ayan, so, wala. Gusto ko na ipakita yung mic ko. Ang cute. So, balik na tayo sa regular mic. So, I hope naririnig niyo ako at walang ingay in the background ng mga PC at mga electric fans. So, yes, happy December. December ko. So, yes, hi, happy December. Merry Christmas. Ayan siya mga ante. Uncle, Merry Christmas na. So, this is the time of giving. And, ayun, syempre, if ever may ma-receive naman kayo, be grateful kahit magkano pa. And just be grateful kasi, ano, giving talaga ngayong December. So, ayan. So, before tayo mag-start ng reading, syempre, hindi mawawala yung ating 5 keneso. But before doing that, I will be using sa ating tarot reading ngayon ang Believe in Your Own Magic na Oracle. And of course, yung Tarot of the Divine. Ngayon, may isa pa akong gagamitin, which is yung mga naka-follow sa akin sa ibang social media account ko. Alam na nila kung ano yung gagamitin kong isa. So yes, before anything else, let us do the charot. Gamitin ko lang tong mic ko. Gamitin ko lang to kahit regular, walang reverb. So, pwede lang hit ng mic. Ang ating 5 simple ways to manifest joy and kindness this December. Ayan. So, number 1. Set your December goals. Ayan, mga mamshi, mga auntie, mga uncle. So, ano ba daw yung set your December goals? Ito yung mga parang isusulat mo kung ano yung mga goals mo, ano yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve this month, either or whether it's personal growth or spending more time with your loved ones, ayan, staying consistent with your routines na parang ako, kailangan ko yon. And of course, kailangan clear yung goal mo na super clear para makapag-focus ka dyan sa goal na yan. And of course, the good thing about this as well is visualizing. So, i-visualize mo na you're already achieving these goals right now. Parang manifestation lang yan. So, you have to think that it's already happening and you're already enjoying the fruits of your labor. Ayan. Siya. Number 2, practice daily gratitude. Ano yan? Ito yung mag start ka ng day mo na pwede mong ilista yung 3 things that you are grateful for. Tulad ka ng huling video natin, be grateful na bumangon ka, that's already number 1. Nagumising ka, that's already number 1. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo. Motor, okay. Motor sa paligid. Ngayon kasi, yung gratitude, it is shifting to your energy to a positive state. So, kung babangon ka at gagawa ka or you're going to start your day being grateful, magiging okay yung buong araw mo. Diba? Pwede kang uminom ng to help you have this positive morning with a gratitude and uminom ka ng kape. Ayan, pagising mo cuddle-cuddle with someone. As much as possible, iwasan mo muna yung mag-cellphone pagising mo. Kasi, di ba, sa pag nag-Facebook ka, minsan depende sa ano natin yan eh. Depende kung ano yung nasa feed natin. Minsan baka napaka-negative, which is no, 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 no. Okay? And yeah, journal. Always have at least a journal beside you, beside your bed, para at least ready ka na pagising mo, ayan, or pagtulog mo before you sleep, grateful ka pa din. I am grateful for what happened today. Mga ganyan. Okay. So, number 3, create, number 3, create cozy moments for yourself. Sa sarili mo. Ayan. So, December kasi can be really busy. Alam niyo yan. And, minsan baka makalimutan na natin ng yung self-care, yung self-love, ganyan. So, what would be the best thing or the simplest way? Kasi nga simple, di ba? Simplest way for you to do a self-love. So, you have to cozy moments ba? So, you can light a candle, You can watch your favorite movie. You can drink whatever you want. Ayan. Except, syempre, as much as possible, wag beer, wag alak. But if wine, if is comforting you, why not? Ba? The things that are comforting you. Um, ano pa ba yung mga, anything that you think that can help you relax. Ayan, that is create a cozy moment for yourself. So for yourself, ha, not with anyone else. Number 4, spread kindness everywhere. Ito yung feeling ko not simple kasi mahirap. Mahirap. Kasi syempre mga may mga maldita, maldito. But just spread kindness. Wag masyadong mainit ang ulo. Let's try and embrace and the spirit of giving by doing one kind act every day. One lang naman, hindi naman sinabing whole day. So, one kind act every day. Ayan. Pwedeng, sabi dito, small gesture like holding the door for someone. O, di ba? Kind na yun. Leaving a kind note. Sending a message to someone that you care about. Pwede ding message na, kamustahin mo, yung mga dapat mo kamustahin. Na nakalimutan mong replyan 5 months ago. Or, if you have anak, syempre, try kissing them every day, hugging them every day. It's already kindness. Kasi yung act of kindness, mga mamshi, mga ante, mga uncle, it actually creating a ripple effect na pag ginawa mo yon, the people that you are showing your kindness, gagawin din nila yun sa iba. So, spread kindness everywhere. Number 5, the last but not the least, plan for an amazing 2025. Ayan. Oh, eh. And so, reflect on your wins. So, reflect mo lahat yung mga wins mo this year, mga lessons mo this year. Isulat mo yung mga bagay-bagay na will help you to move forward. Ayan. And, move forward at yung mga iiwan mo ng 2024. Kasi this will allow you to have space, clear mind, clear goal, and an open heart for an amazing 2025. And of course, if ever marami time kayo na maging eme, you have to create a vision board or try nyo lang mag-write ng mga affirmations nyo na gusto nyong ma-manifest for 2025. Ayan. So that ends our 5 simple ways to manifest joy and kindness this December. Sana hindi nagre-reverb tong mic na to para hindi ko na ulitin. Higit ng heart. Shake ko lang. And yes, of course, before tayo mag-start ng ating tarot reading, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Mag-comment kayo kung nagustuhan niyo yung 5 simple ways natin. And, syempre, sa ating tarot reading, remember na ang lahat ay may free will. So, mga auntie, mga uncle, nasa inyo yan. If you wanna believe or not, nasa inyo yan. We have the free will. Kung hindi maganda yung nangyari, if hindi maganda yung reading for your month, for your sign, I'm so sorry. Yun lang naman yung sinabi ng card, not my fault. I am just reading and explaining. Wag po kayong magalit sa akin. Ayan. So, bahala kayo kung mag-resonate o hindi. Bahala na kayo dyan. So, yes. Ayan. Let's go na sa ating reading. Hello, Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ayan. So, ayan. Unang ano pa lang. Magkalat na ang cards. Ayan. So, this is for Libra. And one more. Ayan. Okay, let's see. 8, 9. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. So you have all the suits. So let's start with the major arcana. Start tayo dito. So, death. So, death is not actually, hindi siya yung nakatakot na type na card. So, this is actually a good news kasi nga, kung ano man yung mga problems mo, meaning nito is matatapos na mamamatay na, and it's about to end. Now, since it's about to end, and you have to think of ways how to move on, how to start again. Ngayon, yung mga bagay-bagay na iisipin mo ngayon, paano ka na ulit mag-i-start. Yung mga bagay-bagay, paano ka na ulit. Kasi parang sobrang tagal na problema nito eh. Parang ang OA ng problem na to na it almost, oh, na halos mamatay ka na sa problema na to kakaisip. And the good thing is patapos na siya. So, since patapos na siya, the best thing for you to do right now is to think how to start again, how to move on, and think of how to make you maybe happy, ganyan. And also, I see here na you really have to, para matapos itong problema na to, para mag-end ang problema na to, is for you to leave. Umalis ka. Pag umalis ka, you can do everything that you want. You can love whoever you want. You can love or do yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong gawin, magagawa mo na. Everything is in freedom. Freedom talaga yung ano dito mga Libra. Sobrang freedom yung mararamdaman mo. And also, I see here na when it comes to money, I have here 8 and 9. Sobrang hardworking yung tao. Ante. Sobrang hardworking mo, Uncle. Na sa sobrang yun nga, hardworking mong tao at ginagawa mo lahat-lahat for everyone, for ano, sa lahat-lahat ng ginagawa mo lahat, you will now, ano to, harvest sa Tagalog. Parang, uh, yun, may bunga na lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. And this time, parang, di ba yung harvest mo na lahat ng good karma dahil sa mga gandang nagawa mo itong huli. And even though may problema ka, nakuha mo pa na tumulong sa ibang tao, and those people around you will help you as well. O, diba? Good karma is coming. And because of that, sa mga may Libra Sun, Moon and Rising, kuha tayo ng isa pang card. Oh, so this time daw, since you're free, i-date mo daw yung sarili mo. It's up to you if you will date someone, masaya yan, or just date yourself. Mag-social ka, travel ka, pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, ganyan, travel, enjoy, mga ganyan bagay-bagay. Kasi you have to congratulate yourself kasi you did everything. Ginawa mo lahat ng best mo, and this time you have to reward yourself. O, diba? Ang ganda naman nito mga Libra. And also, syempre, hihingi din tayo ng medyo maasim-asim na advice from Saint Patron, Sasa Girl, Beyonce. So, let's see kung anong ibibigay niyang advice sa'yo. Again, this card is just for something to give you something to laugh about. And, you know, Sasa Girl. Let's see. Oh, ito na yung ganda na hindi mo danas ay madadanas mo na ngayon. Kasi super stressed ka itong mga nakaraan dahil din sa problema mo. And this time, yung gandang hindi mo naranasan before, ay mararanasan at mararanasan mo na. Perfect, o diba? So yes, amazing. That's good, diba? Isn't that good? Isn't that great? Diba? Ang perfect. So yeah, that's all for my Libra Sun, Moon and Rising. All you have a good day. Bye bye.